All right, YouTube, video number 578. Right before this one, I used the ZD24R leashy to pick and decode a Can-Am ignition, which is right here, and we're going to actually cut the key now. So these are chipped keys, so you would normally cut these on a chip key and then program them with the Buds 2 software or some other kind of software. But you usually want to cut a test key first before you wreck a pretty expensive key blank. So your test key is an X270 or TMC1 Triumph key, or it's really a Xhorse keyway. And so that's the key that we're going to use to just kind of make a test key here. And bidding that we had from the leashy is 232234. And so we'll go ahead and pull our app up here, and it is ZD24R. Xhorse likes the Silka names. And we notice here we got two spots where the first cut would be at 780 by 2350 or 770 by 2350. Can-Am is 770. And it's just telling us here using which jaw to use, and it's a shoulder stop key. And we'll go ahead and enter our bidding 232234. And we hit cut, and we need to go ahead and load our key here. So I just put it in the jaw here. And use our shoulder stop. And I'm just going to push the shoulder onto the shoulder stop, and we'll just snug it up, get the shoulder stop out of there, tighten it down. And you really don't need this screw, but it's there, so screw it, I guess. And so jump back into the app here, get it cut, and the machine will do its thing, and then we'll test it out. Alright, so there's our key cut here. And get it out of the vise, and then we'll test it out. Alright, so put it in here, and we see that it is working perfectly. So there's a Can-Am Spyder key. Real quick here, something I forgot to mention when I filmed the video that I remembered in post here. Some of these ignitions here, this one's from like a 2011 or 2012, and you see it's wide open, easy to get at the keyway. No problem at all. On some of the newer ones, starting maybe like 19, 20, 21, somewhere in there, this black piece here, the little bezel that goes over it, actually covers most of this ring, so you either have to pop that off, or what I like to do is I just cut the head of the key off. Because what happens is when you try to put the key in, it stops on the bow of the key, and it won't go all the way in, so you think your cuts are wrong. So you either just can cut it here, or like I do, just cut the whole head of it off, and then that way you can stick it in and test it and make sure it's working there before you cut your chip key. So I just wanted to make sure that I mentioned that. So back to the rest of the video here. Cut there with the Xhorse Dolphin. And like always here, if you have any questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share and all that fun stuff. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.